Tell me what you want, or tell me what you need. I want you lying in my bed. Wish you could stay on.
Look, tell me what the deal is. Should I end this now, hit the kill switch? Tell them I'm the illest. Tell them put me on and I will kill this. You should ask my niggas in the building. Oh, I never take this shit serious.
What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back, y'all. We are officially in season 2. Things are getting bigger, things are getting better. As I said before, as you see in the intro, we officially have our own mini samurai, which you will see in a lot of unboxing. I'm actually proud this came in. I'm even more so proud of what's right here. So, without further ado, let's get up into it. As you guys can tell, I'm excited. I'm also tired, so my excitement is a little bit limited from being seen, but that's all going to change once you guys can see what these are. So, these are officially, as you can tell, 700s. These are the first pair of 700s out of my collection, and I got them in none other than the clay brown colorway. Cue up the sound where the audience claps. So, as you guys noticed in the beginning of the video, I said these are the Yeezy 700s. I did not say the Yeezy 700 Boost simply because these do not have boost, which is a letdown slightly, but at the same time it's understandable because these are priced at $200. So these are actually cheaper than an actual pair of the 700 with the boost. So it's a give and take. The give would be a lower price and you have a better chance of getting these. The take would be, well, they're not boost. These aren't as comfortable as Ultra Boost, but these are still somewhat comfortable. What you have here, the first thing you notice are these 3M, hints at 3M right here on the shoe. You guys see that? Hints at the 3M. And then the next thing you can notice is this affinity loop right here, which of course, this is the lacing system. These come with the extra pair of laces, which are just a standard black. Now, if you put those on and you take this off, you lose this look, which I like this look, but at the same time, I want you guys to know that this shoe has no give, little to no give. So when you put your foot in, you really gonna have to spread these out like that to put them in. But once you put them in, it's like a sock. It's a very snug fit. These are a 10.5. I usually wear a 10, 10.5, but I usually go a half a size up because I like extra comfort. You probably can get by going a whole size up on the Yeezy 700 for the V3s. Now, if you guys look very closely, you can see this is black, and then this right here is brown. Now, we are in 4K, so you guys should be able to see that. But in the event you can't, I brought another pair of Yeezys with me, so you guys can clearly see the distinction between the two. You know what? I didn't show you guys these. But I think you guys seen enough videos on these already. These are the ones that were re-released about a month ago. But let's get back on topic. So as you can tell, you guys see that? How the difference is? You see that? You can clearly see this is brown now when it's pushed up against a black color. You guys can see that. So this is brown, this is black. I just thought it was real interesting because online you couldn't really tell. I initially thought this was black, and then I thought this was the hints of the clay brown, which there are little distinctions within the pattern of it. You guys see that? And one of the great things about these is it has the exoskeleton, which I think is just like an extra flair on the shoe. It brings the shoe out. And then you have the toe box right here, which is very similar to the Quantum pair which is the basketball pair of Yeezys. And then one thing a lot of people don't know about these shoes, this actual exoskeleton right here, it actually glows in the dark. So I'll put some footage of that at the end. Now it's not a super duper high res glow like the calcite Yeezys were, but just being able to glow in the dark is just an extra bonus. So back to more talking about the comfort of the shoe. One of the things you have in here that separates it from the boost, like I said, there is no boost. You have oh, this is really glued in there. Give me a second. I'm gonna have to cut that out. God damn. There we go. So you have the ortholite right here. This is what the sole is. Let me see if I can get that in a good. Which way to go? All right, there we go. Boom. Then you have this right here, which, like I said, it is what it is. These actually remind me of the 4D Comfort, which I assume that the more you wear these, more comfortable they can be in time. But initially, it doesn't compare to that Boost Comfort. Like I said, there's no Boost in here for those non-believers. There's no, how can I get the good thing? There's no Boost. But not to take away from the shoe. And it's also, this is actually translucent right here. Let me see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. You guys see that light? This is actually like a translucent netting right here. Now it's not super duper translucent where if you have like a pattern on your socks, you can then see them through here. But this is translucent to the point where it's breathable, which is excellent during the summertime. These are going to be a great summer winter shoe, great colorway. Like I said, now this right here is not Boost, like as I said, but it is what it is. $200. I would definitely buy these bad boys again. Like I said, I love these. These are the Yeezy V3 Clay Brown. You stay tuned.
Remember them swipeys they hit for mad bands. My man stole from me, he was my right hand. So who do you trust when you can't trust nobody? You better love yourself, you can't love nobody. Yo, AB, what you going through? You probably won't believe me if I told you to. You probably think I'm crazy if I told you to. And just to balance out my lows, I get high, the blood coming through.
Thank you.